Hey everyone. So I want to take a minute to show you guys how I use Google Analytics 4, because a lot of people have been talking about this, and I get a lot of questions like, "What's the best way to use Google Analytics 4?" And I'm going to show you how I use it specifically for SEO, because I don't know anything else other than SEO. Just a one-trick pony. So I'm going to show you how this one-trick pony uses Google Analytics 4. Mostly, when you sign into Google Analytics 4, you get this dashboard here, and I spend a lot of my time in the reports section here. So when I click reports, you get this report snapshot, and I think everybody gets this. The one thing that a lot of people do not get is what I have built custom here on the right hand or left hand side. I have a report collection here called SEO reports. I call it, SEO reports. And then the category under that report section is called organic reports. I couldn't really think of what else to call it. But anyways, inside this organic reports collection, I've got one, two, three, four, five, six different organic reports. And I'm going to show you just real quick what they are. I'm going to start off by the organic dashboard. This organic dashboard is really just a bunch of summary cards from the other reports found within my SEO reports collection. So it really, this is all interesting, but it really doesn't make a whole lot of sense until we look at the other reports. This first section here is just a basic overview, and that is in the organic traffic report that I put together here. This is just basically a one channel report for organic traffic to show organic traffic for the first user medium over a given time period. By the way, this is from my website, hallanalysis.com. The next report, though, is a organic landing pages. And so this gives the same organic traffic pattern here in line chart, but then it lays out a list of landing pages plus query string that are receiving a handful of metrics from organic search. I put together these metrics based on what was in the same corresponding report from Universal Analytics. And so I did users, sessions, bounce rate, and conversions. This all kind of makes sense to me, but you can add any metric you wanted to this report when you create it. The next report that I have here is the referring search engine report. And honestly, I don't look at this report that often because, I mean, let's face it, I'm really only focused on Google. It's bringing in the lion's share of my organic traffic. I have also obviously Bing, Baidu, DuckDuckGo, and then these other smaller search engines below that. But let's just give you a good rundown of both in a line chart and a horizontal column chart the different search engines that are sending traffic. The next one is organic conversions, and I'm guessing this is only showing one. And I think there may actually be a problem with this. I probably have to debug how I have my conversions or goals set up. So there may be more that I'm missing in this report. But this is, of course, will show any organic conversions that I've set up within the events, custom events section of analytics. And then the very last report here is organic traffic by country. And so basically this breaks down all the various countries that I receive organic traffic from over a given time period. And my top performing country is India, then the United States, Philippines, Spain, Pakistan. These countries shift obviously based on some days I have a very popular piece of content, and other countries will be at the top instead. Those are 5 reports, and all of those 5 reports are found also on this dashboard that I also created that has a summary card for each of the 5 reports that we just looked at. If you like the way that I do Google Analytics 4, if you think that my process could provide value for your website or your client's website, then you can learn exactly how I built all the reports that I just showed you by taking a look at my Google Analytics 4 for SEO course on Gumroad.com. It's actually a very inexpensive course. It's only about $50, and it runs through a step-by-step guide through 10 different videos, all about how to set up each one of those reports. It comes with a separate video per report. They're super easy to follow and understand. It also comes with a report creation cheat sheet, which is basically a PDF. If you don't want to watch each of the videos, you can just take a look at the PDF, and we'll show you how to create each one of those reports. It also comes with a code sample, and you get access to my private, exclusive, members only Slack channel where you can join in with a conversation with me and other SEOs on the best ways to do SEO and to use Google Analytics 4. Hope you guys got a lot out of this video, and I look forward to you learning more about Google Analytics 4 in the future.